Looking for tasty snacks that actually support your weight loss goals? Check out these top 5 healthy choices. First up, raw almonds provide protein and healthy fats to curb hunger. Chia pudding, rich in fiber and omega-3s, is a delicious and filling option. Opt for a veggie-packed green smoothie for a nutrient boost. A handful of mixed seeds offers essential vitamins and minerals without the extra calories. Finally, try cucumber slices with guacamole for a refreshing low-carb snack that keeps you satisfied longer. For more content, like and subscribe.